Hello my creative friends and welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful technique of ink and bleach. First of all, I cover these papers with ink. I will put a link in the description box for these inks. The different types of inks gives you a very different result. You can see I should have covered my hands right from the beginning. But when doing the bleach process, you definitely need to cover those hands. Use a brush that you don't mind damaging because the bleach can eat away at the bristles. Also, it's very important to keep your room well ventilated when doing this process, or even better, you can work outdoors. Sometimes when you are doing the bleach process, you might get a few imperfections, but I believe this adds to the overall outcome. I sometimes even add more of those imperfections on purpose. This is the overall result. You can add more color by using some watercolors on top or a felt tip pen to add more details and patterns. I have done a previous video where I did this. Click the link to check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with this technique.